Okie dokies. Okay, this is part of my project, and I'll probably release this in December or when I finish my project. So you might be watching this in December, I don't know. It's July currently, so July the 14th to be exact, and I've had this for quite a while. This is the Christmas tree or festive tree, whatever you want to call it, but I call it a Christmas tree, and it's a 2-in-1 set, so you can build this and this, or the big tree. Well, I think I'm going to build the big tree. I wish I knew how big it was. It doesn't tell you on the box, because I'm thinking if this 2-in-1 version here was, the main tree was big enough, then I'd build this one, but as it doesn't show you, it's a bit of a pain. So I might have a quick look online and see if I can find out how big it is. There's nothing on the Lego website, so I'll be back. Okay, so I lied. I did find it on the Lego website, I just didn't see it the first time. So the big one is 30 centimeters tall. I'll show you. 30 centimeters is about that tall, right where my thumb is. And then if you build the medium and the small, the medium is 23, is about that, and the small is 16, which is about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the big one, and I'm going to try and find another one of these and build the other two, which would be kind of cool, which I won't do as a video unless people wanted it, I don't know. So let's have a look, see what's inside the box. So that's my decision. I'd like the big one as a centerpiece, but I would also like the medium and the small version. Let's see what we got. A ton of pieces. Okay, well, no numbers on the bag, so that's cool. I have no idea how I'm going to be able to do this, but look at it, green everywhere, green. There's the decorations bag. That's more. Okay, so these are pieces, I think 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these 3 small bags look like they're for decorations. So, oh, and there's another one here. Yeah, that's another one to build the tree up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags. Wow, okay. And inside you have the build manual for the main one. Shame this is all like messed up. And then you have a build manual for the medium and the small one. So I will build the big one because I want to see what it's like and see how it fits. So we'll get on with that. We'll put you back down there because we don't need you, and somehow organize this lot into something that makes sense, which is going to be interesting. So let's grab this. Okay, and I can grab these. I'm going to have boxes everywhere. Okay, so let's try and sort this into something that makes some kind of sense. I think they can all go in there. Then maybe these go in there. Okay. These bigger bits here, I think I should just put here, because that kind of looks like the base. This is crazy. Decorations. Okay, so let's do 3 bags of decorations. 3 boxes of decorations. Okay. 1, 2. This is going to be interesting build. Wish me luck. And 3. Okay. Right. and still leaves a ton. So I'm not quite sure how many containers I actually have for this. Okay. Alright. So that is those. Let's put these in here. Yeah, it's going to be a nightmare. Thanks for that, Lego. I need to try and empty these out everywhere. Okay. Well, I suppose I could put these over here. This is going to be the messiest desk I've ever had. Okay, what I'll do there, that's cool. Then Beza models, you need to go back there and kind of keep an eye on stuff, okay? That's these. I don't know how people can build like this, because I see online a lot of people do actually build like this, and I just can't do it. It messes with my head. Have I got another? Yeah, kinda. Alright, let's go. Let's put that in there. Okay. Right, I think we're done. Oh my god. Right, so it's finding the parts time. Right, so I don't know if this is going to stay like this. Probably not. It's probably going to be a complete mess. But I will see you shortly with the speed build. Hi. Alright, so Christmas tree finished. Had a problem. You may have seen in this sped up video, you may not have seen. But I was missing one of these, but the 6, okay? Which is a bit of a pain. So what I did was I used a normal 4 and then added a single, like 2, like that, okay, 2x1, and a 4x1. I think it's 4x1, was it 2x1? I don't know, whatever. And then connected the other pieces to the top of it, which strengthened it. Okay, good. Then when it came to doing the top here, I was missing 1 because I'd used it. So what I did was I got one of these and I cut it to make it into a 2-stud. Where there's a will, there's a way. And you can't even tell which one it is, but it is this one here. So I kind of trimmed it and cleaned it up. But whatever, that was the only problem I had. One missing part caused a lot of hassle. So please, Lego, send it all the way to Turkey, 1 part. Okay, GG's. But whatever, it doesn't matter. I found it, and look at the ton of parts left over, which is awesome, because I will be using those in my project. So that's cool. I'm trying to get hold of another set so I can build the other 2, the medium one and the smaller one, so that I can scatter some trees around. Now I'm going to be making like some Christmas tree presents somehow. I'm going to look and see how I can do that, but I can do that later. But okay, let's get down to the review. The base is awesome. I love the base. This comes off, okay? This is kind of stuck. You ain't moving this nowhere, right? So there's the base, the decorations on the base, really nice with the hearts. And the candles and all the baubles and everything else, and then this just rotates, which is kind of cool. So you can fit it wherever you want. You can actually kind of lift it and place it on there, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put it like that. So yeah, you can turn it around. So that's kind of cool. I like that idea. That's really, really nice. Worked out really well. Does look good, and I'm hoping it will look good in my project that you may or may not know about by now. But anyway, build done, Christmas tree done, loads of spare parts, happy boy. This is one of the most repetitive sets I've ever built in my life, because of course this is all very, very similar with the branches and the leaves and everything. The base was obviously different, but these are just like, as you go up, they're just smaller versions of the ones you built. It's a little bit repetitive until you get to the top piece here, which is obviously different. This bit here is very, very different, so that's cool. And of course you can kind of like turn it round and change where you want it facing, and the star can change as well, of course. But yeah, I'm happy with that. That's job done. Long video, actually. I'm going to see if I can work out how long that video was, or how long it took me. It took me ages, I know it did. I don't know. I really don't know. Let's have a look. Can I do... I'll cut this bit out until I know. Right, properties. Let's have a look, see if it shows me properties. 5.73 gigabytes worth of files. Details, did it show me? Wow, okay, 2 hours, including the intro. So let's take away the intro. Now do properties. Okay, details. All right, so it took me, yeah, 1 hour 54 minutes with a few little breaks in between. So 2 hour build for this, okay? Because you have to watch. If you build this give you a tip. Watch the orientation of these things, okay? You have the, I don't know if you can see that, this black and this brown stud, because they are where the sets connect together, the sections connect together. When you're building it, make sure you look to see where this is in comparison with maybe the star or the bauble, or okay, and start one off, one brown one, and then the rest of it is easy because it just follows. But at the beginning, at the bottom here, I had one wrong because I didn't really look, I wasn't concentrating properly. So I had to take it back off and then just swap them around, just move them around one stud, and it worked. So just a little tip there, always watch the orientation of the brown stud and the black flat piece, or just the brown stud. Once you get the brown stud, everything else just follows around. So yeah, GG's. This I think you'll be seeing, like I said, in December, which is kind of weird as it's July, but whatever. Smash the like button, subscribe. Hopefully I've reached 2,000 subscribers by now. I really hope I have. Maybe I haven't. Future Tom needs to tell me right now. Anyway, see you later. Thank you for watching the video, and there should be some links somewhere, probably here at the end, showing you some other parts of this build, like not the tree but the project build. Anyway, I digress. See you later. Thanks for watching.